Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another exciting video. Today we will design a customized calendar using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First change the page setting from portrait to landscape. Now go to option insert and insert a rectangle shape on the page. Now change the color of the shape. I will color it in navy blue. Now you have to fill the color with gradient. Adjust its transparency for giving it a shady look. After that, now you have to insert a circle shape on the mid of the page, just like this. Adjust it with the help of the cursor, and then you have to draw another circle shape inside this circle so that it will give a border look. Change the color of circle shape into white. Now you have to fill the inner shape, which is circle shape, with image. I have saved a landscape image earlier which I will use. Now you have to insert a text box on blue strip and write 2023 inside this text box. Increase the font size. You can also change the handwriting, and after that you have to change the color of 2023 from black to white. Fill the text box color from navy blue so it will look a part of this blue strip. Now you have to add another text box on the white page and then write the month name on it. For example, I am writing January. Increase the font size. You can also change the handwriting, hold it and place it on the center. Now you have to change its color. Change its color from black to navy blue. Now you have to draw another text box below this January name. After drawing the text box, now you have to insert table for writing month's date on this. Here, select the boxes according to your choice and then adjust it with the help of the cursor. Now you have to write days name on each column, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After writing all the days name, then you have to increase its font size, and you can also change the writing styles according to your choice. And don't forget to bold it. After that, now you have to fill numbers on it from 1 to 31 or 30. Here, now your calendar is almost ready. You have to change the color of the number. But before changing the color, first you have to go to home and then border settings and then select the option no borders on the table. Now after removing all the borders, now you have to change the color from black to orange. Like this. Select all the numbers and alphabets present on the table and then change its color into orange. The day's name's color is looking so odd, so I will change its color from orange to navy blue. See, it looks better now. Now you have to insert another text box below this table and then write Happy New Year inside it. See, like this, increase the font size. You can also change the handwriting just like you did before. Now change its color into blue and your calendar is ready. So it's only a 1 month calendar. You can design all the 12 months calendar like this. If you like my video, share it with your friends. Here it is a final look of the customized calendar. Thanks for watching. Click on the like icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.